Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It. Today I'm going to show you how to change the reverse light bulbs on this 2026 Hyundai Sonata. All right, pop the trunk, and we're going to start by removing these clips right here, this one and this one. These guys, all you got to do is pop them out like that. Same thing with this one. Now you're able to get behind here, and this is your bulb right there. These guys just twist it and then pull them out. That's your bulb right there. To replace the bulb, you're just gonna push it in. See that? Goes in a little bit. Twist it to the left and pull out. That's your bulb. To get the new one, just insert it and twist it to the right to lock in place. Now you could insert it back in the hole here, and once it's flush like that, turn it to the right or clockwise. There you go, to lock in place. Now it's time to put in the clip. Make sure this part is up like that. Put in all the prongs in the hole, and once it's in there, you're just gonna push it. That's it. Do the same thing for the other one. All right, for the right side, it's gonna be a little bit different because you have this here. So you need to remove the two clips and then remove this guy. So this has this little cover on it. Just pop this off, and then you have two screws you need to take off right there. Those are 10 millimeters, or you could use a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, now you can peel this back, and again, this is your bulb right here. Just twist it, pull it out, and do the same thing. Just pull it out, put the new one. There you go. Now you can put the two screws back on here, and your two clips. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.